Yo, you lot, so I flew 6,000 miles to find the craziest whip in China. Now, everyone thinks of no China, cheap products, mad technology, and fake stuff. But yo, what if everything we've been told is wrong? Because today, I flew 6,000 miles across the world to China to find probably the craziest vehicle I've ever seen. If what people are telling me is true, China are building things that we can't even find or buy in the UK. So yo, let's go find out for ourselves.
Man can't do it like DRIVADAVE. See blue lights still blow that chase. X3M got stupid brake. Big whip, wake up the whole estate. Real wheel drive is spinning it mad. Giving out gaps is dinner it man. Do it on road or spin it on tracks. Man can't do it like us, that's cap.
What are you saying then? We've landed. Check it. Check how much it looks. Slept the whole way. Nice one, mate. Look, it's brand new. Look, Lodge just woke up. Wanker. My trim's looking mad. Been on the plane for 11 hours. It's a long old day. Long day in the office. But we're here. We've landed. Shanghai. This one have 4G. This one have 5G.
Yes.
Okay.
Open the roaming. You can go Japan. Open the roaming is 1K.
Ah, ni hao.
Yes.
That means hello.
You're now active with your
internet mobile anywhere in the world.
Dave's got his own personal router.
You get me? I'm just rolling with a router. Look.
Fibre optic in-house.
This is lit. To be honest, this place is so sick. So yo, I'm here in Shanghai. I've just linked up with Switzy now. We're gonna go out and get some food. You get me? We're about to get active.
I order you the V class, the local V class.
Oh yeah, smooth. It's actually crazy, bro. Look, we're just here in Shanghai. Man, look, Bruce, look, there's Switzy's limo, look, landing. Hello?
How did you say Paul?
He's trying to take your watch.
You want the watch? You want the watch?
Nah, he loves you.
Oh,
DRIVADAVE and the Husky.
hello.
What's he biting you for?
He's alright, he wants to play. Hello, mate. Go. Show. Ah, Show. Nice to meet you. Taking a load, yeah. Show. Are you hungry? Hungry? You? Hungry? No, you come with us, we get you food. You come with us, we get you dinner.
Come, let's go. Vamos.
Yeah, it's alright, bro. This is what we do, bro. We help people. We just found your man Bruce on the sidewalk. I'm gonna get him a scram from this shop here.
This one here.
No, that one there. There's a queue, so the food must be good. You know what it is? I'd just give him money here, but I don't know what they're spending it on.
He's gonna go drink, bro. He was like this.
I don't know what drugs they take in China or whatever, but I'm happy to buy food and help people, but that's it. I'm not giving them live cash. Yes. Okay. Can I get this gentleman something to eat? There you go, bro. Thank you. Whoa, 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 whoa. You girlfriend. You do jig jig. Yeah, you too. You be doing jigs. So we just got your man there some scran, yeah? Thank you.
Bye.
And then his bird come running over, started snatching, grabbing bear shit as well. But you know what? They're homeless. I'll buy them as much food as they want, to be honest. Obviously, Switzy paid anyway.
Every time he's yeah. Alipay is hard.
He's not working in it.
Bro, I don't know how to do it, bro, if I'm honest with you. Bro, this is a crazy place, bro. Man, they're just bowling through the strip in China.
Like it's normal.
Bare mopeds and that, just grabbing homeless men food and that. This is crazy, bro. Man's are just walking around China.
Yeah.
Some fucking mad situations we end up in, you know.
But that's thanks to trading, bro, because with trading you can be making money from anywhere around the world, you know?
Well,
You're not
fucking
stuck to
hell, you're
9 to 5.
living proof, ain't you, bro? Let's be honest, you're all over the world and you're still getting paid.
Yeah.
Mad. Yo, today we're going to the biggest tech fair in the world. This is where all the bullshit gets found, you get me? So we're gonna go and have a little mooch about now. Our taxi's about to pick us up in the rock. Yeah, stay tuned.
We're gonna do some shopping.
Yeah, we're gonna spend some cash.
Yeah.
think that there's going to be some good stuff in here. But then again, it's like TikTok shop, innit? You buy it, it looks good on the picture, but then you get it home, turn it on, and it fucking explodes or something. So yo, right at this point now, we've arrived in one of the biggest technology places that you can go in China. Look, X3M.
With the lights on.
Yeah.
Around $50 for one pair.
Fucking cheese. And do you have in stock right now? Okay, you have contact. We're making links, bro. We're making links. Do you have in stock right now? So I can buy right now. Is this one G-Wagon?
Yeah, G-Wagon.
Touch screen? Hello, boss. You speak English? Is it possible to design wheels? Bespoke? Can I get contact details and we talk business? Honestly, this convention is ridiculous. Like, yo, everywhere you look, there's something mad going on. And like, yo, the more I look around, it don't feel like China's trying to catch up anymore. Like, it feels like they're fucking light years ahead of us. And apparently, the craziest things that we've came all the way here to see are still waiting for us. We need to find one of them trans. Yeah, we need some of them, innit?
Yo, listen, oi. Run that again, I'm shelling them. Flow galactic, cool man Bellingham. Man, I got love in Krakow and Birmingham. The gal love me, but I keep hurting them. I'm a twat, got the chat, bit of this and
how fast does it go? Show me how fast. Show me. I can drive it? Yeah. Oh, I'm going now then. Bye. Whoa. It's easy to crash, you know? Respect.
$250.
$250. And where? Where? Do you know where about? Where around
see me
here
roll
or?
Just asking about 20.2.
20.2, yeah? Fair play, man. Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
See you guys. See you, lads. Hi.
Hello.
You're good.
Wow. Hello. You good?
Oh shit.
Check it.
Can I?
What the fuck is this, bro?
She's actually scary.
Look at this fella here. Battlefield environments, look. So we're in the place of gadgets. There's fucking suitcases attached to electric scooters. There's mad fucking, oh look at that, foot massager. Mate, I could have a go at that now. My feet are killing. Can we sit? Is it okay to sit? Bro. And anybody can drive? Yeah. Wow. Look at the carbon. This one's sick, bro. This is a shutdown, bro. This one's better. This one's very cool. And you can ship to UK? Oh my God. Very good.
Full carbon.
How much? Yeah, is that it? How long it stay in the air? 20 minutes?
Oh, there's a screen, there's everything.
We need this. Can I get inside? Yeah? Oh my God. This is fucking sick. Bro, this is a shutdown. I would give any of my cars for this right now. Bro, do you know what we could do with this? So yo, people have been telling us the same thing, wait till you see the vehicles. At first, I thought they was talking about supercars. Then I thought they was talking about electric cars. But now, I'm generally not sure what I'm about to see. And all I know is everyone keeps saying the same thing, you won't find this in the UK. And like, yo, if that's true as well, we're about to find out why. What you say, we've landed, live and direct, we are active. There's Kid on the Turbo S, he's a good kid. I like this place.
Crazy.
though. Oh, listen to it rev up. Go on, send it.
Hold on. No way. This is what everyone's been talking about. I've driven supercars, I've driven race cars, I've driven some of the fastest cars around the world. But somehow the thing I'm most excited to drive, I'm in China and it's this little thing here. I generally don't know whether it's a toy or one of the greatest inventions that I've ever seen.
Big Charlie, listen. I'm a no white boy up in London town. One phone call, I get the gun then round. Don't say a word, don't make a sound. Get your gap out for £100. I'm a no white boy up in London town. One phone call, I get the place shut down.
Yo, it's time to teach Switzy how to drift. You get me?
Shut down the club whenever we walking. Action, it was back to the day that we caught him. It was back to the day that we caught him. Kick down doors, man, don't do creepers. Jump off back, but guys in sleepers. Me and my boys will grind like the leaders. My tunes will blaze out your speakers. Chocolate face Charlie, got a factory. Penthouse sweet courtesy of this candy. I know villains are real vigilantes. They get busy from London to Zante. Walked in a party, met a bar.
Oh, let me know in the comments, if you lot would buy one of these in the UK. If I got these over to the UK, would you lot buy them? Yo, I'm in a factory in China with 72 volt go-karts. Have you ever seen them before? We're investing from all angles. It's a new product that we're looking to bring on the market. It's all about surrounding yourself with the right people. You get me, your network is your net worth. If it weren't for the trading, I wouldn't even be here now. I wouldn't even be meeting these mad geezers. I wouldn't be doing this mad shit looking at 72 volt Porsche buggies, you get me?
That's
Take
mad.
me in, I'm fucking heavy. Look, yo, if you lot want to join our free community, click the link in my bio right now. All businesses, all opportunities, I'll be sharing in there. I'll be talking you through exactly what goes on in my life and how I'll be getting all this bread. Look, yo, if you lot want to get involved, you know what to do. So, yo, we got Mr. Chow, international exporter. You get me, champion. Look at him, look, he's just lining up the bumper. You know what I'm saying? Yo, so this China place is absolutely crazy. You can just come here, meet the right links, like this is Bruxelles.
The outside, you would never expect that there is something like this
No,
inside.
you wouldn't. And you know what? You got to take it in as well. Big up Jake as well at EMX Central because he's brought us through on his meetings.
Fact.
You get me? He's showing us around the place. We've got Orange Juice Customs in the cut as well. You know what I'm saying? We're active.
Investing is not just about trading, guys. When you start trading, you can just like make some money and then reinvest in your own businesses. Like, I don't know if your dream is like to open a gym or to open your own garage. That's what
shipping,
you can do with the
for
trading money.
I came to China expecting technology. I didn't expect to be able to drive one of the funniest vehicles that I've ever driven. And honestly, I still don't understand why we don't have these in the UK.
I want to have fun, you know, while I'm just working. Someone has to make the money behind that, you know what I'm saying? I made 176
You know what I'm
grand,
saying?
so we're not that far. But yeah, guys, in case you want to join the community, as we said, it's fully free. If you guys want to be involved, just scan the QR codes and let's get active. It's actually crazy, bro,
And
when you think
to
about it.
even make
We have
the
the
money.
factory here, and we're in the middle of nowhere, bro. Driver Dave, you want to stop driving? Driver Dave. Driver Dave, you want to stop driving? Here we go again. 2 hours.
So imagine this now, we buy one, we send it back to the UK, we paint it, tune it up, make it faster, and bring it out on the streets, Like, yo, if you want to see this happen, let me know in the comments, because after driving this today, I generally think we actually need one of these blasting around the area. And yeah, thank you for watching, man. Like, share, and subscribe. Let's fucking go, you bastards.
Jet flyer, man marking a tart in a raid Maguire. Hardest skis in the game, Dan Dyer. Got loads of heat like a shit hairdryer. And again, I'm a big game player. Fly your sister out to Marbella. Treat her nice to a vampire, yellow and a Chardonnay and a pack of Stella. We make it bang like shotgun. Bottles on tap, let me pop one. We make it bang like shotgun. And if you want lyrics, I got some. We make it bang like shotgun. Bottles on tap, let me pop one. We make it